Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use a card block to show some important message to the users in the checkout page. So watch this video completely without skipping. For this, I am using Checkout Extension Ninja app, which is a customized one for the checkout pages. So I have downloaded this from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I'll be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out and follow along with me. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. And a quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. So after installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section or in the template section. So you can see the view all templates. So we are using the default template here for the important shipping notes. So just click on use template. Now you don't have to do much more here, like the datas will be pre-filled by default. So block name has been done for you, and you can just edit this or change to your wish. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this button and add the conditional visibility criteria from this list. There are multiple choices here. You can just go for any if you want. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled, and then the block will be available always at the checkout page. And click on card block. This is very simple. You can just go for the title here. It shows as the note, and description also. You can just add any add, or you can just completely remove this and add your wish or yours text here. And you can just keep the background color light, dark, or primary one, and text color also by default as subdued, a critical warning, and success. There are multiple choices showing here. You can just go for any if you want. Otherwise, the default one or the pre-filled data you can use by clicking on done without adding anything, and just make sure that the status is active and go for saving it. So after saving, you will be getting some block ID from the block details. You can just copy this and click on open checkout editor page. And you have to add the custom block to the checkout. I will show you. Yeah, like this. You have to paste the copied ID earlier, right? So that ID you have to paste it over here. And now you can see that the custom block has been created here successfully. And go to the app section. Now you can just drag this to anywhere else, since it's shows some, it contains some shipping method or shipping informations. I'm just dragging this block to the shipping area or this shipping section. So yeah, here it shows the custom block like this. Now let's save it and test this up in our online store, how it comes in our checkout page. So let's land on the checkout page in this store, and my expectation is to show this. Yeah, you can see that the card block, which contains some informations on the shipping process, has been just created here. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.